Hello and welcome to Danny Stephen Moss Presents Real Mars Life, episode number 7. Here we are again at the Mars rovers site, and their link will be posted below. So here we are on the 824th day of the navigation cam on number 1. Okay, marsrovers.jpl.nasa.gov. That's where we're at. Now, again, you're looking at Mars and you see this image and you wonder, really doesn't look like much, but we really need to investigate this image closely. This image is a remarkable, notable images amongst world-class images. This image is number 7 of my presentation, Real Mars Life. Now, why is this image? Why am I ranting about this image? Well, okay, look at this foreground here. Okay, that just looks like it's at random. Well, it isn't. Some of it is erosion and cracking, but a lot of it is hieroglyphs, petroglyphs, whatever you want to call them. Okay, now as you go into the back, each of these consecutive ridges has many interesting things on it. I'm only going to focus on this part right here in this image right now. So let's zoom in and zoom in, and you'll see there's quite remarkable things going on in this image. Okay, right in here. Now, how do I know that? Because I am an expert at this, and I have created for you to be able to help you to understand what's going on. Now, let's look in the foreground here first as to these markings on the ground. Okay, these are very clearly especially this with this U shape and this shape here. Let's go in. You can see this line, and then it comes up and it creates this little horseshoe. This line here. Okay, and now this is expert mode to be able to see this stuff, and so it's very complicated. So let's go to the back of the image again. I've marked it clearly. There will be a link to this, and right back in here again is these unique structures among these ridges that are incredible. So zoom out really quick, because there's two parts to this image, the NASA part and the part that I blew up using high-tech photography techniques of enlargement and image enhancement. And again, I will state these images were only enlarged, enhanced, and the sections are brought out so that you could really see. There's some really amazing stuff going on. Now again, these aren't the true colors necessarily, but for example, this object is sitting here. Okay, unfortunately all the pictures come black and white, so I color these, and again, this is not necessarily the real color. That could be silver for all I know, but each section is quite different and quite unique, the way it's built. And you could plainly see here, it's one of these Mars faces, which we've come across a lot so far. Again, I will state that the Martians are the artisans of artisans. I don't know if they're using some type of nanotechnology that develops this for them, or they create this somehow. It's very complex structuring, and it all fits together like pieces in a puzzle. It's very amazing. and each part is connected to another part, especially on this. So again, this is Danny Stephen Moss signing off from Real Mars Life, image number 7. All links will be posted below.